Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Lilia, and in today's video I want to share with you the viral yogurt custard toast. It's a little bit of a mouthful, but so I can see why this viral toast went viral because it's super delicious. It almost tastes like dessert, but it's a lot healthier and it's also super simple to make. So pretty much anybody can make this recipe. So I also decided to add a little something to it. So I made a berry sauce to go along with it because although it's very tasty with the maple syrup or the honey, I felt like I just needed a little bit something else. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. And without further ado, let's get started. I want to show you guys how rich this sauce is. I'm going to get out of the way so you can really see this. Oh. So I like to pour some of that sauce, like I said. Mmm. Mmm. So tasty. It finishes this recipe out. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to not only like and subscribe, but also hit on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video.